My love, do you think that learning 27 words in French is difficult?
Well, I think it will take some time, but it's not so difficult.
And do you think that counting till 1 million in French is difficult?
Yes, I think it's so difficult. And for the new beginners like me, I think it's nearly impossible.
Never forget, with love, nothing is impossible. Yes, in this video, I will give you the secret of counting till 1 million by just learning 27 words. Plus, I have a surprise for you at the end of this video. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, c'est parti!
Hello and welcome to French with Love. I'm Nazlı.
I'm Benjamin. Today we will learn the numbers in French.
When we learn a new language, learning numbers is essential because every day we use numbers all the time. Even the time is a number.
With French with Love method, we will give you all the tools that you need to count from 1 to 1 million in French, and maybe even more.
But first, let's start from zero.
Zéro,
Zero,
zéro. Un,
un,
un. Deux,
deux,
deux. Trois,
trois,
trois. Quatre,
quatre,
quatre. Cinq,
cinq,
cinq. Six,
six,
six. Sept,
sept,
sept. Huit,
huit,
huit. Neuf,
neuf,
neuf.
Let's repeat it one more time.
Zéro,
Zero,
un,
un,
deux,
deux,
trois,
trois,
quatre,
quatre,
cinq,
cinq,
six,
six,
sept,
sept,
huit,
huit,
neuf.
neuf.
Okay, you have just learned 10 new words, but our target is to count till 1 million.
So, let's continue and learn the numbers between 10 and 19.
Dix,
Dix,
dix. Onze,
onze,
onze. Douze,
douze,
douze. Treize,
treize,
treize. Quatorze,
quatorze,
quatorze. Quinze,
15,
15, 16,
16,
16, 17,
17,
17, 18,
18,
18, 19,
19,
19.
Let's repeat it one more time.
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19.
19. I know it's hard to learn the numbers in French, but with repetition of the words that we have just learned, it will be easier for us to remember them.
Here is a trick. Remember, to say 17, 18 and 19 in French, we say 17, 18, 19. So you use 4 words that you have already learned. So, we will use the combination of words to learn how to count in French.
Also, don't forget, it's a video, so you can push the pause button whenever you want and continue when you are ready. Now, for the ones who are ready, let's continue to learn numbers from 20 to 90, but this time 10 by 10.
Dix,
10,
10, 20,
20,
20, 30,
30,
30, 40,
40,
40, 50,
50,
50, 60,
60,
60, 70,
70,
70, 80,
80,
80, 90,
90.
90.
Let's repeat it one more time.
10,
10,
20,
20,
30,
30,
40,
40,
50,
50,
60,
60,
70,
70,
80,
80,
90.
90. My love, can I ask you a question about the scene we have just seen?
I know, it's about 70, 80 and 90, right? Well, in French, why make it simple when you can make it complicated? 70 is 60 plus 10, right? So in French it's 70. 80 is 4 times 20, right? So in French it's 80. And last but not least, 90 is 4 times 20, plus 10. So in French, it's 90. The reason for that is, I really don't know. There are plenty of legends that you can read on our website. I know, it's not easy. But I want you to remember 70, 80 and 90 as words, because we will use them in the next sequence.
Indeed, we have already learned how to say different numbers in French. Now we will combine them to count till 99. Let's see the method. Now you know how to count till 100. If you have learned all the information so far, now you can easily count until 100. Like in English, in order to say 22 as 20 and 2, in French there is a similar way to say all numbers after 16. In French, when we write the numbers with more than 2 words, we use a hyphen between the words. Please see the table below.
In French, the number 22 is written as 22. We add et, which means and, only to the numbers ended with 1, like 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81. Only the number 91 is written without et. To say 91, we say 91. To continue to count after 70, which means 70 in French, we replace the word 10 with 11, 12, etc. The same rule applies to count after 90, which means 90. Read the table in order to say any number between 1 and 99. 51,
51,
66,
66,
71,
71,
94,
94,
99,
99.
The number 80 is written as 80, but the number 88 is written as 88. Only with the number 80, the word 20 becomes plural and takes the letter S. For all other numbers with the word 20 in it, it is always written as singular.
Useful information. Telephone numbers. In France, the telephone numbers are generally composed of 10 digits and we read them 2 by 2. Cell phone numbers begin with the digits 06 or 07. Phone numbers that don't begin with these digits are usually home or private numbers. Please see the example.
06, 11, 23, 45, 89.
06, 11, 23, 45, 89. Please be careful. As it is shown in the example, when 0 is followed by another figure, we read both. Address. In French, to say the number of a street or an apartment, we say first numéro, which means number, and the number itself. Welcome back. Now we know how to count till 99. I know it doesn't seem so easy for now, but the more we repeat, the easier it will get.
Do you realize with only 25 words you can count till 99? And now, by adding only one word to your vocabulary, you will be able to count till 999. There is magic in there. Est-ce que tu le sens?
100,
100.
100,
Numbers from 100 to 999. In French, the number 100 is written as 100. You can remember it by thinking of the word century. In English, to say three-digit numbers, we say digit, hundred, number. It is the same in French. We use this formula. For instance, to say the number 428, we say
428.
428. Also, don't forget to add a hyphen between each words. Please see some examples.
102,
102.
777,
777.
501,
501. Please be careful. When a number ends with 01, we don't say the word e. But if a number ends with 1, we use e, which means and, excluding the number 91. Please see some examples.
101,
101.
861,
861.
191,
191.
371,
371. When do we add the letter S to the word son? We add the letter S only to multiplies of 100. The word son does not take the letter S when it is between two other numbers. Please see the examples.
200,
200,
700,
700,
701,
701. Till now, by just learning 26 words, we are able to count till 999.
But our target is to be able to count till 1 million. And do you remember how many words we need to do so?
Yes, 27. Here is the last one.
Mille,
1000.
mille,
Numbers between 1000 and 1 million. In French, the number 1000 is written as 1000. We never add the letter S to the word mille since it is a French numeral adjective. You can use this formula to say the numbers between 1000 and 1 million. Please see some examples.
1001,
1001.
2023,
2023.
5000,
5000.
6147,
6147.
1987,
1987.
56 000,
56 000.
987 654,
987 654. Plural forms of 100 and 1 with the word mille. We add the letter S only to multiplies of 100. The word 100 does not take the letter S when it is between two other numbers.
Only with the number 80, the word 20 becomes plural and takes the letter S. For all other numbers with the word 20 in it, it is always written as singular.
Please see some examples.
1500,
1500.
1100,
1100.
6520,
6520.
6580,
6580. We have now all the tools in our possession to count till 1 million in French. I wouldn't have imagined to acquire such a skill in such a short time.
But with French with Love method, what seemed impossible in the beginning is now your reality. Is it the first time that it happened in your life? By the way, would you like to know how to say first in French?
Yes, since we talk about numbers, let's have a look to ordinal numbers now. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used for rankings. Here are the rules to write the ordinal numbers in French. The suffix -em. We add the suffix -em at the end of a figure or number. The numbers that end with the letter E. For the figures or the numbers that end with the letter E, we replace E with the suffix -em. Changing the letter F to the letter V. When a figure or a number ends with the letter F changes to the letter V. Adding the letter U. We add the letter U to the figures or to the numbers that end with the letter Q. Abbreviation. The equivalent of the abbreviation TH in English is E in French. Please see some examples.
Premier, première.
Premier, première.
Deuxième, second, seconde.
Deuxième, seconde, seconde.
Troisième,
Troisième,
quatrième,
quatrième,
cinquième,
cinquième,
sixième,
sixième,
septième,
septième,
huitième,
huitième,
neuvième,
neuvième,
dixième,
dixième,
onzième,
onzième,
douzième,
douzième,
dix-huitième,
dix-huitième,
vingtième,
vingtième,
trente-troisième,
trente-troisième,
cinquantième,
cinquantième,
quatre-vingtième,
quatre-vingtième,
centième,
centième,
millième.
millième.
Please be careful. The ordinal numbers first and second change depending on the noun's gender. If a noun comes after these numbers is masculine, then we say premier or second. If a noun comes after these numbers is feminine, then we say première or seconde. The other ordinal numbers end with the suffix -iem do not change depending on the noun's gender. Please see some examples. Premier étage.
Premier étage.
Il est le premier.
Il est le premier.
Première maison.
Première maison.
Elle est la première.
Elle est la première.
Il est 17e.
Il est 17e.
Elle est 17e.
Elle est 17e. It's already the end of today's video. Today we have learned the ordinal numbers and how to count till 1 million in French, thanks to French with Love method.
Yes, love can do. And very often, love do more than what it can. With only 27 words, you are able to count till 1 million in French. Here is our surprise for you.
To be able to count the stars in the sky, we need 2 more words. Here they are.
Un million.
1 million.
1 million. Numbers after 1 million. In French, the number 1 million is written as 1 million. The noun million obeys the rule of singular plural and it takes the letter S in plural. You can use this formula to say the numbers after 1 million. Please see the examples. 10 millions.
10 millions.
987 654 321.
987 654 321.
Here is the word you need to begin to count the stars in the sky. Milliard, which means billion. In French, the number 1 billion is written as 1 milliard. The noun milliard obeys the rule of singular plural and it takes the letter S in plural. Here is the formula. Please see the example. 123 milliards 987 654 321.
123 milliards 987 millions 654 mille 321. It is the end of our video. We hope that you enjoy it.
Till the next time, please do not forget to like this video, keep following us, and for more information, visit our website. Et en attendant notre prochaine vidéo, on vous dit 1 million de fois merci. Continuez à nous suivre, on compte sur vous. See you next time.
Stay with love.